Before the world called us strong, before anyone called us resilient, we were divine. Eze Nwanyi means queen woman, but this story isn't about royalty. It's about remembrance. For generations, our power was whispered, not spoken, carried in the bones, carried in dreams, carried in silence. And every woman who forgot her worth was still carrying the crown. In Igbo, Eze means king. Nwanyi means woman. Put together, it becomes a prophecy. Historically, Igbo women weren't just caregivers. They were controllers of markets, keepers of wealth, guardians of lineage. Eze Nwanyi wasn't a queen the way the West imagines it. She was the woman whose wisdom ran the community. Eze Nwanyi means she who carries both softness and sovereignty. She makes life grow and she sets boundaries. In today's world, Eze Nwanyi has a different battlefield. Every woman has a moment where she says, I deserve more. I deserve peace. I deserve myself. I once met a woman who said she spent her entire life making herself small. She never wanted to seem too much, too loud, too smart, too emotional, too talented. But one day she walked into a room and said, if I'm too much, find less. That was the day she returned to her crown. There was another woman who thought losing everything meant she had failed. A relationship ended. A job ended. Her confidence ended. Until she learned this truth, sometimes God will remove everything that was hiding your crown, so you can finally see who you are without it.
Look, every queen moment isn't loud. Sometimes healing looks like a woman who finally says, I'm not explaining myself anymore. And if they can't handle your boundaries, tell them to go talk to customer service because the queen is busy.
Eze Nwanyi is timeless, but the brand Eze Nwanyi was born from a modern mind. When I created Eze Nwanyi, I wanted a place where spirituality wasn't separated from intelligence, where softness wasn't separated from sovereignty, where beauty, health, culture, motivation, and identity live together. It is a lifestyle, a vibration, a remembrance.
From a biological perspective, sovereignty is measurable. Women with self-worth show less cortisol reactivity, greater neural stability, and increased serotonin balance. In simpler terms, a queen has better Wi-Fi.
This is your reminder. You were never meant to blend in. You were never meant to shrink. You were born carrying a frequency. You are Eze Nwanyi, divine power, modern mind, crown on.